Hey guys, मेरा नाम है इंदर
और मेरा नाम है श्वेता
और आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे
चैनल में।
तो अभी हम वीडियो करने वाले हैं। I have never been treated like this before। फैसलाबाद जैन पार्कर का वीडियो है, तो आइए देखते हैं।
ओह ओके, चलिए।
In this video, I am taken on a food tour through Faisalabad, the third most populated city in all of Pakistan and the second largest city in the Punjab region, by none other than Shamraz, my favorite website designer and friend, and a few of his closest buddies.
And we're gonna try some signature snacks of this city.
Okay.
Some local food.
Amazing. Good. This is the second video, as there was way too much food to put into one segment.
सेकंड वीडियो है और एक देखना पड़ेगा।
हमें और देखना चाहिए।
So much food today. So on this note, let's get to it. Now we're on our way to Gantagur.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I said it right.
Okay.
Gantagur,
Oh my
which
God.
is the clock tower. It's like the most famous area of Faisalabad.
Oldest area.
The oldest area.
Okay.
For some more food, right? My gosh. We're now entering a small market and heading toward the heart of Faisalabad, the landmark clock tower known as Ghanta Ghar. It was built in 1903 by the British, and it sits at the center of 8 radiating streets, each street being a different market with its own name and its own style of goods.
It's a market
the
area.
fun fact of this whole design
streets.
is that when you look at it from above, those 8 roads line up perfectly with the pattern of the British flag.
ओह, कभी का बना हुआ है?
This is a small bazaar of a big bazaar.
Gorgeous.
Small
Oh, thank you. Hi. What is this?
The chickpeas flour.
Add some masala, spices.
So it's
Bhatia,
chickpea
right?
powder.
Yeah.
Ah.
And then fried.
They're good. Crunchy and salty, and he squirted like the lemon on it, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Spice.
And it was called what?
Savanya.
वही
Savanya.
गाड़ी
Savinya.
Yeah.
Savinya.
Basically, the main market of Faisalabad.
It's so nice.
Very crowded.
I love this crowd.
And it is basically the famous fish point of Faisalabad.
फ्रेश पॉइंट।
Oh, big pieces of fish.
Wow.
They have different varieties. A type of fish.
Uh-huh.
We call it rahu. This one.
Rahu.
राहु।
This is the rahu.
Yeah.
Crispy. That was good, and it's like a thicker fish.
Yeah. Fatty fish. Fatty fish.
Fatty fish.
This is without bone, the salt fish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, can you see that? Ooh, yeah. Tikka is barbecue.
Yeah. Barbecue flavor.
Really, really good.
भूख लग गई मेरे को।
Bomb.
Bomb.
This also has bones but without fat.
It's nice and fresh. These are delicious. It's good, really good fish.
Which one you like the most?
Maybe this one.
Okay.
This was a bomb.
Yeah.
Bomb is from Karachi?
Yeah.
Yes. What is the name? What is it called? Topi. Oh, all different colors. So many.
वाओ, नाइस यार।
Getting closer and closer.
To the clock tower. We're almost there. I have to say that most people in this market are like really friendly, super smiley, which is super refreshing and makes the experience even better than what it already is.
So here we go.
All right, look it. Oh, it's there. Beautiful.
Alright, now
We have the
some
round
different boards around this tower.
Okay. Behind me, we have the Butt Ice Bar.
But
So we're going to try a dessert here.
Yeah.
Faluda.
Faluda.
फलूदा।
You're the owner of here?
Yes.
Nice. How long have you been here?
1970.
Since 1970.
1970. My father established this business.
Really?
Ice cream, faluda, biryani, butt ice bar.
But most of these have been.
Around Gantagur.
Yeah.
I've been raising
That's amazing.
Now, I
Absolutely.
think we should try it.
This is the faluda?
Yeah. Ingredients: fresh milk,
Okay.
Okay.
cream,
मुझे भी खाने का मन हो गया.
Ooh. Some noodles.
Topping with some nuts.
खोया फाड़ा मामा मैंने ना.
Okay. And then what's this right here?
खोया.
Koya.
Koya?
It's a frozen meat.
लग तो बहुत टेस्टी रहा है.
हाँ.
Delicious. Mazidar.
Thank you.
मजेदार.
यार.
Let me get some of that noodle, chia, and there's something crunchy, like ice in here. It has like fruit in it too. There's so many like different things in here.
That was good, right?
It was so good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Many thanks.
Thank you. 10 out of 10.
Thank you. Thank you.
उनका
Oh, he's not charging us.
Barato.
You know, Pakistan are so nice.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
So much.
बहुत शुक्रिया.
Shukriya. Shukriya. So happy to be here.
I am from Canada.
You're from Canada?
Yes.
Wow, nice. Are you here though?
This working.
You're working here.
About this Canada.
And in Canada, where?
Okay.
Oh, body break up with this Pakistan.
Okay.
Yay.
Bengali lassi.
Bengali
So does
lassi
it
shop.
originate in Bangladesh?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Let's see.
We're not sure. Let's find out. Okay. Salam alaikum. Good, how are you?
He is the owner of this shop.
How long has he been here?
ये भी है.
Oh my god.
लस्सी
What?
दूध
Like a
लगेगा.
century.
Like a century?
Like a
100 years?
Yeah.
So your father and his father?
Father.
How many generations?
3 or 4.
Wow. Bengali lassi.
So he's saying when both India and Pakistan were together, like in a subcontinent,
Yes.
Bangladesh, India and Pakistan were one country.
Okay.
So it's originated before from that
Before
era.
they separated.
Yeah, before they separated. So that's why they call it
Bengali.
Yeah. And as I said, it's made of yogurt.
Yogurt, sugar, ice,
That's it.
and then he's gonna put that all in there. I wonder how many they sell a day.
5 to 10,000.
Whoa!
Wow.
Delicious. Again, everything is good today. It's like mazidar.
मजेदार.
Healthy and smooth and buttery and
It's like smoothie.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What is your name?
My name is Tegan. Tegan.
Nice to meet you. I'm Zan.
Back to your channel.
Channel name.
Oh, Zan Parker.
Then
Parker.
Z-A-N-N
Then
Parker.
Parker.
Yes, that.
Then
Hi, how are you? I'm Zan.
she's a transgender.
Okay, nice to meet you. That's fine. Good.
That's fine.
It's normal.
It's normal even in New York, where I'm from. Oh, you are amazing. Shukriya. All day long. No one's allowing us to pay. Salam alaikum.
ये सही है.
Dry fruits.
I like this.
Anjeer.
Six?
We call it Anjeer
Anjeer?
in Urdu.
So I am so full.
What about
The
it?
car is hilarious.
कैसे लेके जा रहे?
Such a cool market.
This is a huge market.
It's huge.
We never gonna cover everything. Take rest 1 or 2 hours, and then I will again pick you up at 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Then we will go for the dinner. And
Then dinner? More food?
Oh, मस्त लगा है रात का शॉट.
Nice view.
Oh, मस्त
This
जगह.
might be one of the most beautiful malls I have seen.
Spanish style. Exactly.
The architect is based on Spanish style. Lalipur
Lalpur Galleria.
Gallery. We're gonna go just look quickly inside before
जगह अच्छी है,
dinner.
जगह अच्छी थी. Oh, nice.
So Shamraz loves this place, Saudi Broast. So even though we're about to go have dinner, he wants me to try this. They inject the chicken with like juice or different sauces and stuff. It's juicy. It's good.
It's good.
Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna try. Oh, look at it. It does have injected chicken.
maybe sauce.
Woo! And not injected with hormones like in America. For me, it tastes a little bit different with the injections. It's still fast food fried chicken.
KFC की तरह है।
Consensus is no.
Exactly.
No, we don't like it.
Not even 5 out of 10.
Not even 5 out of 10.
Minus 10. 4 out of 10.
But the fries are good. Anyway, we still have another place to go. Is that right?
Exactly.
So we saved our appetite anyway, so no big deal. What is the name of the
देसी खाना ही खाने हैं।
Food, हाँ.
Balochi Saji.
Ahmed Balochi Saji.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a mix of Afghani and Balochi food. Back in 1980s, when we had a Soviet war, right? Pakistan. A lot of Afghanis have migrated to Pakistan. So they have brought their culture, their foods and everything, right?
So it's like infused now in Pakistan.
Absolutely.
It's part of the culture now. So we are going to be having, they rave about this chicken. Forget about the last chicken we had. We are going to have this chicken that has been slow roasted over an open fire with, I think, minimal spices. So just salt and pepper. And they said it's amazing. So we are going to go try that now and see. Hey, look at all that chicken. Oh, wow. It's huge.
Yeah, it is the Kabuli pulao or Afghani pulao. It has some carrots, some raisins. It is not that much spicy.
It is more sweetie.
Sweetie and salty.
Sweetie and salty, they're saying. So then over here, ooh, no, those look phenomenal. Chocolate kebab, which is also an
बड़ा बड़ा है,
Afghan
देखो
food made from beef.
Yeah, it is made of beef.
Ooh, yum.
Hello.
Hi, assalamu alaikum.
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am good. Where are you from?
America.
That's good. That's good.
अरे रे रे रे।
Is that okay? Is that good?
अरे रे रे रे.
He was like silent when I said America. I was like quiet. I was like, oh, is that bad?
With you. He's asking to bring him with you.
You want to come to America?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Hello.
चलो.
But look at him back here.
Yeah.
He looks pretty awesome.
We have
He is like sitting behind
वो
glass.
कैसा हाँ?
like a cell.
I'm guessing you pick out your own meats and your own fish, and then oh, is he coming out? Oh, he turned on the lights for us. I like.
वो ऊपर कैसे रखा है?
हाँ।
To the rest of
I know. He's like isolated. We need to find out. Let's find out. Okay, he said, oh. Salam alaikum.
सही है यार ये जगह।
Oh, yes, it's very
एसी एसी है। किसके लिए क्लास?
What's your name?
Muhammad Faisal.
Mohammed Faisal. Zayn.
Jan.
Yes, nice to meet you. Okay, shukriya.
3,500. ठीक है रोटी.
This one
Naan.
is called Saji,
Saji.
right?
Yeah.
And this one is Afghani chapli kebab,
Chapli
Chapli kebab.
served with egg omelette. And in the middle of it, we have Afghani pulao, a mixture of raisins with a topping of carrots
Yeah.
and
Spices and
cashews, and then we have Angara chicken.
Angada?
चिकन अंगारा।
It's more like a barbecue chicken. I
Barbecue,
think
it
so.
looks like, yeah.
Yeah.
इस
And
बार
then
सब
we have
प्लेटिंग
fish,
करके दिया है
fish,
बुफे टाइप.
And some salad. Okay.
ये देख के बोलता हूँ टेस्टी रहने वाला है।
And naan.
humongous Afghani naan.
Humongous.
एक सेकंड लिया।
I think we're all ready to eat, right? Is everybody hungry?
Exactly. Let's go. Shafiq Ahmed roti khol do.
I have no idea what he said, but let's eat.
It's so tender. You see?
It does smell good.
Chicken is so tender.
दही रायता.
Chicken is delicious. The chapli kebab with the raita. Okay. And with the naan. Okay. Okay. I love lemon. Some naan. Some chapli kebab.
चपली कबाब।
Some raita.
Got it.
That's good. The chapli kebab. Good.
I think this is even better than Saji.
I agree. We were saying that the chapli kebab is maybe the best, even better than the chicken. Good choice, guys. Mint margarita without alcohol, so it's a little bit different than in the States. But this is very popular here, and this is my first time trying
I
it.
think they have used some soda.
Oh, so it gives it some fizz. Try the fish. Has a good flavor. It's healthy tasting, like good and healthy. Spices are excellent on it. Guys, there is so much food left. Come on, guys. That was such a good way to end this food journey today.
Trial.
I think we're like about to pop, all of us, explode.
Happy starting and happy ending.
That's cute.
Again tomorrow.
Woo, we're gonna have breakfast. So I cannot even think about food though right now.
Next morning.
It's the next morning. Honestly, I'm still a little bit full from all the food yesterday, but we are about to have our last meal together, breakfast, and they're gonna show me something special called nihari. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Do you want to
nihari.
explain real fast what nihari is?
We talk about the history. It comes from the Indian culture, like
Okay.
Delhi food. And it's very famous in the Karachi as well.
Okay.
And now it's getting famous in Punjab.
Okay.
Now we're gonna try it.
Yay! Hamidi Nahari House. Assalamu alaikum. The meats, the lamb, beef, or chicken, it's been
Whoa.
cooked overnight. They start late night, like 9 or 10 o'clock, and they cook all night long. So the meat should be extremely, extremely tender. For me, it sounds a little heavy for morning breakfast, but I'm sure it'll be delicious. So we take this and fry it over
Hey.
here. This goes here.
Yes.
Basically, they just added fresh ghee that came straight from the cow and fried the onion in it, and now poured it over on top of
Wow,
the
इतना घी मजा आ गया.
to this nahari dish.
They have been in this business for the last 30 years, since 1986. We call it family roti.
Kamili?
Khamiri roti.
Beautiful. Okay, that's a lot of food for breakfast. Oh my gosh, more food.
Chole bhature.
Wow.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Juicy, tender. Dip it in this beef gravy that's been cooking all night long.
Hi.
Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Mazi dad.
What is that?
Guys, breakfast. This is breakfast. I feel like this is breakfast, lunch, and dinner all over again.
Actually, बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Hiya.
It can be made from goat legs or from the cow leg. It is light meat.
We're about to eat paya, which is somewhere part of the lower leg, feet area of a cow or goat.
Inside the skin, the part on the bone. It is like
The muscle.
the muscle part.
We call it gong in our
The
language.
what?
Gong.
Bonk?
This is super soft. Look at this.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay. Now take this with the gravy.
Good?
Absolutely.
Oh my goodness.
The
Okay.
part of
This is what I'm
inside.
just gonna scoop it up like that.
Absolutely, you have to. There's no other choice.
You are gonna get messy with this. It's soft, it disintegrates in your mouth. Like that's how it just melts in your mouth. Really flavorful. Thank you for the introduction, guys, to all these like amazing foods. We ate our way through Faisalabad. I appreciate this entire journey.
It was fun, to be honest, right?
It was so much
Meeting
fun.
locals.
So much fun. Thank you for picking me up. He picked me up in Lahore. He's taking me back to Lahore. Above. He went above and beyond. The Pakistani hospitality is like top notch.
You can say,
He will not take money.
Really? Aw, thank you. Thank
ये
you.
सही है,
so
मस्त
much.
है. जिधर हमें पैसे देते.
Maze Agra.
मजा आ गया.
Oh,
मजा आ गया.
गया.
Yeah.
That means
wonderful experience.
Like the best experience. You picked some of the best spots.
वो बहुत
The
मस्त
food
लगा,
was
फालूदा।
delicious. All the hospitality from all the vendors and from beginning to end, just like the food, from the beginning to the end has been extraordinary, and I appreciate it. The irony, we were saying that you never know where life is going to lead you. Here we
Yes.
are. I hired Shamraz to design my website. Now I'm meeting him and basically his family. I'm gonna leave Shamraz's information, the company information, and description. Highly recommend him. Look him up.
I'm very glad we met in person.
Me
It
too.
was a wonderful experience.
Was a wonderful
And now I
experience.
will come to New York. And
Inshallah.
it's your turn.
No problem, I got you. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. And the puri.
भटूरा है,
That's a
भटूरा।
hard word for me to say for some reason.
मस्त था वीडियो, खाना भी अच्छा लगा, मेन हॉस्पिटैलिटी बहुत बढ़िया थी। लोग वो मेरे को कहीं पैसे नहीं लेते, वो मेरे को सही लगता है।
और सब अच्छे से बातें कर रहे
Yes.
थे, तो वो भी अच्छा लग रहा था
एकदम
मेरे को
मतलब
देख
ऐसा
के।
वो फील
एक
आता है कि
connection आ
yes,
जाता
it is
है
good,
थोड़ा
of course.
बहुत, हाँ।
बहुत मस्त वीडियो था। खाना मेरे को स्पेशली खाना तो मेरे को
खाना
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा था, और स्पेशली मेरे को तो अभी मीठा खाने को मन कर रहा है, फालूदा। और देखो तो बड़ा, हम लोग इधर फालूदा ऐसे ग्लास में आता है, ऐसे भी आता होगा,
है,
बट
आता है,
ग्लासेस
ऐसे भी आता है।
मैंने तो ग्लास वाले ज्यादा पिए, तो और ये वाला देख के मुझे ऐसा और खाने को मन हो गया।
मेरे को तो सब कुछ खाने का मन कर रहा है।
नाइस नाइस, भटूरा भी अच्छा
पर
लगा।
वीडियो अच्छा था, बहुत मजा आया देख के। अच्छा है, मतलब ना पाकिस्तान का कल्चर देखने में, सो दैट्स गुड।
ठीक
सो
है।
गाइस, ऐसी और वीडियो सजेस्ट करते रहिए।
तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए, टेक केयर,
बाय
बाय
बाय।
बाय।